Good morning. This is Luke Thomas Holmquist here at the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. It's 10:53 in the morning in California, 10:53 in the morning on Wednesday, September 13th, 2023, 10:54 in the morning on Wednesday, September 13th, 2023. And here's the latest forecast for California and around the world. First of all, we have these small foreshocks happening. One here down near Manhattan Beach, one up here in Ojai, California, and another one up here in Los Olivos, just northwest of Santa Barbara. And we're expecting a significant earthquake to happen in California. We'll take a look at that right now here. So California, this is one of the forecast models here. This is forecasting Southern California. And a 4.2 is most likely late on the 14th into the 15th in the morning. So 4.2 is likely in Southern California. This other forecast model shows it happening just northwest of Los Angeles. So that's the most likely spot for it to happen. This is the general forecast, and this is more of a specific forecast right here. This includes the area up near Big Bear Lake and that area near the Salton Sea. But it looks like most likely to happen northwest of Los Angeles. And again, this warning is for most of Southern California, from San Francisco Bay down to the Salton Sea. 4.2 is likely late on the 14th into the 15th, most likely again northwest of Los Angeles, near Ojai, Santa Barbara area. Here's the, on the top part of the graph here, you can see the risk of magnitude. And here on the bottom half is the percentage risk of an earthquake happening in California. So this is coming up on the 14th into the 15th. Over in Japan on September 19th, looks like about a 5.6 earthquake is likely near Fukushima, or down here near Kochi, Japan, which is southwest of Tokyo here. Either one of these spots is a likely spot for about a 5.6 earthquake. And this is the graph for Japan. It's coming up on the 15th. Let's see if I can, no, I can't. So about the 15th into the 16th of, oh, wait a minute, that's for the 19th. The 19th of September is this forecast map here. This 6.3 earthquake that happened just north of the Philippines was down. The warning area was for southern Taiwan, and you can see this 90% risk area is generally where this 6.3 happened. And here was the graph for that period, late on the 12th into the 13th, and that's when that 6.3 happened. More significant peak is coming up for Taiwan late on the 16th. And early 17th of September. In Italy, about a 3.5 earthquake is likely late on the 18th into the 19th. So building on the 17th and into the 18th and 19th of September. We'll have a better location on that in a while. And here's Alaska's forecast. Sometime today, the 13th, we're looking for about a 4.0 to 4.2 earthquake down near Kodiak Island. And you can see that's that peak right here. This first peak, this very strong spike in risk here on the 16th and the 17th could produce a 5.0 to 5.5 earthquake. And we'll have more details of that coming up. In Greece and Turkey, we're forecasting for that area now. A 5.4 is likely. And that's either near Istanbul up here, or near Crete down in the south, or Rhodes Island near southeastern part of Greece, or near Crete, or near Istanbul. Those three areas are the highest risk areas for about a 5.4 earthquake on the 15th, late on the 15th into the 16th. You can see here on the map for Turkey, that same area, Istanbul or southeast Greece, is where this 5.4 earthquake is likely late on the 15th into the 16th. And here's that risk graph. Most likely, it looks like on the morning of the 16th. So beware of that in southeast Greece or northwest Turkey near Istanbul, looking for about a 5.4 earthquake during that forecast. Once again, in California, getting some foreshocks here northwest of Los Angeles. And that is where the 4.2 is most likely to hit in Southern California. And thanks again for following QuakePrediction.com. 263,000 followers across the world on Quake Prediction, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter/X. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks again. And 4.2 is coming to Southern California the 14th into the 15th. Thank you so much.